Morning gratitude with affirmations to start your day. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your sides. When you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathing slowly and release the breath completely. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to accomplish. This moment is yours. Allow your body to settle. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, and let your forehead smooth out. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. You are safe to pause, safe to breathe, safe to begin this day with calm and intention. Let's take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any tension you may be carrying from yesterday. Let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. With every breath, become a little more present. Bring your attention to the simple gift of being here. You have been given another morning, another opportunity to experience life, to learn, to grow, to connect, and to begin again. Take a moment to feel grateful for your breath. Your breath has carried you through every moment of your life. Without needing to control it, your body knows how to breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, receiving the gift of this moment. And exhale, offering yourself patience and peace. Now bring to mind 3 things you feel grateful for this morning. They may be simple things: a warm bed, a comfortable home, a loved one, a pet, the sunlight, quiet moment, or the opportunity to start fresh. Allow each one to come to you naturally, and with each breath silently say, thank you. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for this new day. Think of something in your life that brings you comfort. Perhaps it is a person, a place, a memory, or even a small daily ritual. Allow yourself to feel the warmth of that gratitude in your heart. You do not need to force happiness. Simply notice whatever goodness is already present. Even in challenging seasons, there can be small moments of beauty. A breath, a sunrise, a kind word, a chance to begin again. Let gratitude gently guide your attention toward what is here rather than what is missing. Now bring your awareness to your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downwards. Relax your forehead. Soften the space around your eyes. Release your jaw. Let your shoulders become heavy and relaxed. Relax your arms, your hands, and each individual finger. Allow your chest to soften. Relax your belly. Release your hips, your legs, your knees, and your feet. Your whole body is supported. Your whole body is allowed to rest. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. As you continue breathing, imagine the morning light gently surrounding you. With each inhale, invite in peace, clarity, and energy. With each exhale, release worry, self-doubt, and anything you do not need to carry into this day. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. Inhale possibility. Exhale limitation. Inhale gratitude. Exhale resistance. Remain here for a few quiet breaths. Now we will move into a series of affirmations. You may repeat each affirmation silently or out loud. Let the words settle into your mind and heart. There is no need to force yourself to believe every word immediately. Simply allow these positive intentions to become a gentle direction for your day. I am grateful to be alive and present for this new day. I welcome this morning with an open heart. I give myself permission to begin again. I am worthy of peace, love, and happiness. I trust myself to take one step at a time. I have everything I need within me to meet this day. I choose to focus on what I can control. I release the need to have everything figured out. I am patient with myself as I grow. I am capable of handling whatever today brings. I choose thoughts that support and encourage. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. I notice the beauty in ordinary moments. I am grateful for the people and experiences that enrich my life. I deserve to rest, recharge, and care for myself. My presence matters. My voice matters. My feelings are valid. I move through this day with confidence and compassion. I choose calm over hurry. I choose gratitude over worry. I choose courage over fear. I am becoming more comfortable being fully myself. I trust that progress does not have to be perfect. I welcome opportunities to learn and grow. I allow joy to find me in simple ways. I am surrounded by possibilities. I am deserving of a beautiful and meaningful life. Today, I will treat myself with kindness. Today, I will notice what is going well. Today, I will make space for peace. Today, I choose to believe in myself. Take a deep breath in and allow these affirmations to settle within you. As you breathe out, imagine carrying this sense of gratitude and confidence with you throughout the day. You do not need to rush into the morning. You can move with intention. You can pause when you need to You can return to your breath at any time. If stress appears today, remember, inhale slowly, exhale fully, and begin again. Now bring your attention back to the room around you. Notice the surface supporting you. Notice the temperature of the air. And listen for the sounds nearby and far away. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders softly if that feels comfortable. And take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. Before opening your eyes, offer yourself one last moment of gratitude. Gratitude for your breath, gratitude for your body, gratitude for this moment, and gratitude for the day ahead. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and carry this calm energy with you. May your morning be peaceful, your heart be grateful, and your day be filled with clarity, kindness, and possibility. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, Namaste.